Today we're doing does it work on this cordless grinder. Got it for 60 bucks. All links will be in the description, just to let you guys know. But yeah, 60 bucks, and we're about to test it. It comes like this from the package. The charger, it looks like a pretty good charger. It comes with a couple blades. That happens. It comes with a couple blades. These are the blades it comes with. And then here's some more. I'm gonna put on a blade right now. Just put it on. Put it on. Take this tool right here. When you're tightening, remember to click the button right here so it stops it. See, the button right here is a lock. It locks the blade from spinning. And you can tighten it. Now it's tightened. It should be ready to go. Just make sure it's not all wobbly because of safety. So grab the battery. Pretty cool. Alright, so I don't have any safety glasses. I don't remember what happened to them, so I'm just gonna put these sunglasses on. I got this scrap metal right here, and I'm just gonna cut it with the grinder. It does cut. It does cut. Where's the other one? This one. All right, guys. Now we're putting on the grinding wheel. Right now, I was using the cutting wheel. This is to cut metal, and it did cut the metal. I think I put this. right here. I'm gonna grind it off. This is the grinding wheel, and it's for grinding. Bam. Now I'll fix it up a little bit. Bam. It works, guys. This little grinder, I think, is a really good deal for 60 bucks. That's the price I got it for. Link will be in the description. And like I said, guys, if you guys have any suggestions on stuff you guys are not willing to spend money on but may think it's a good product, let me know in the comments down below. I'll buy it, review it, and I'll let you know if it works. This works, and I'll catch you in the next time. Later.